really good. You picked the hottest park on the hottest day of the last couple of weeks to go to Animal Kingdom.
I didn't pick this park, you picked it.
You said you wanted to go.
I think it was the only reservation open, actually.
Yeah, that's actually probably true. That fan is amazing. It's Mother's Day, and what did Amanda want to do today?
Disney.
Go to Disney. Everest is open for the first time in months because it was down for repairs. So we're hoping just to kind of do that and get lunch and then, I don't know, not be here. It's kind of busy today. 35 minutes. 1 hour ago it was 10 minutes.
No.
Should have gotten here early today.
We should have.
This is the happiest day I've ever had. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Oh yeah, it's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Thank you.
And all mothers everywhere. I like broccoli.
No.
Hey Miles, do you remember you said earlier that you're going to keep your eyes open for the Yeti today? Are you going to do it? You're going to actually see the Yeti for the first time ever?
For the first time ever, no. This is going to be like my third.
Oh.
Because the first time we went on this ride, I saw the Yeti, it was scary. So when my eyes were open, and then I think the last time we were on the ride, I saw the Yeti.
Okay, are you just looking at yourself now? Miles, I'm hungry. Can you sneak down there and go get those oranges for me? I get very dizzy when it goes backwards.
I know.
Yeah, me too.
Why?
I feel like I'm going upside down.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. It's wild. All right, what do you want to do now?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. We stopped back here. How's this 5 minutes?
How is this 5 minutes?
5 minutes is usually like a walk-on.
I don't understand.
All right, it's 11:30.
It's beer o'clock.
Is it beer o'clock?
Yeah.
All right. We should wait. I know where we should go.
Where?
Come with me.
Okay.
Yeah, I went in here once, and this place is kind of cool.
With Aileen and Jeremy, right?
Yeah.
You're welcome, guys. You have a great day, guys.
Thank you so much. Like fire? Let's try to eat here one day.
Oh, what do you have? A mini pastry crisp?
Yeah. I threw it in my bag at the last second in case the kids get hungry.
Mom's. All right, ready?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you for a wonderful Mother's Day.
Thanks for wanting to go to Disney. Of all the places that we could possibly have gone.
Of course, Disney.
Going to Disney.
Yeah. I had to ride Everest. It's been so long. It was really fun. And I love my necklace you got me.
I, again, had nothing to do with it. You're not my mom.
I mean, that
kids
kids got me.
did
And the
everything.
bracelet you got me.
It's a nice bracelet.
With mom on it.
Yep.
So pretty.
So what are you thinking for lunch?
I don't know. Maybe flame tree.
I'm gonna throw this out
Okay.
there. We've done all the things that are less than an hour.
Okay.
So what if we finish the beers,
Okay.
maybe walk around for a bit,
Yeah.
and then go drive over to Hollywood Studios, park, and go to Big River Brewing for lunch
That
at
sounds
Boardwalk.
really fun, actually.
I thought that might be a cool idea.
Yeah.
They have homemade beers.
Yeah. I love it there. Okay, let's do that.
Okay, awesome.
Okay.
Do you guys want to do that? We're gonna go over to the Boardwalk and go get lunch at the
Maybe
brewery.
instead of walking, we should go to the playground.
Oh my. Miles just wants to go play in the sand today. Maybe we'll play in the sand for a few minutes. You don't want to? Yes, you do. Stop it. Every time you go, you dig and have fun.
We can like probably half time play in the sand, half time play in like the
Play area.
There's no sand.
We'll decide after this.
We could always park hop too later if we feel in the mood.
We can park up. What park would you want to go to?
I don't know. Either
It depends on the wait
It
times.
depends on
It's
wait times.
looking really busy today.
Yeah, if it goes down. We did Everest, we did Dinosaur. We got some.
I wouldn't mind the safaris, but I'm not waiting an hour for them.
No.
All right, let's see what happens. Nobody puts Amanda in the corner. Why don't you move over a seat so you're not like way in the back in the corner? This is kind of cool, huh? I dig it. What are you thinking for beer? They have the light lager, the milk stout, the house IPA, or the rustic pale. I'm gonna get the house IPA.
What's the rustic
The
pale?
rustic pale, it's lightly spiced ale.
Ooh, I think I'll start with that one.
Nice. Soda. What are you getting? Water. Oh, good for you. Me too.
Grilled chicken, Swiss cheese, guacamole. Oh, it's guacamole.
I'm getting Cajun fish tacos. What are you getting?
No.
Oh my
I
god.
think I'm gonna get the black and blue burger.
Okay.
I don't know. I had a burger yesterday though.
Then get something more fun.
I know, like what?
I don't know. What are you getting?
California chicken.
You getting the kids or the adults one?
Adults.
Cool. Good luck.
Why? Good luck.
Because I don't think you're gonna eat it all.
I will.
Okay. If you don't eat it all, you pay for it.
Deal.
Deal.
No shake.
What?
No shake.
No shake deal? I'll take the money. Is it
That's
good?
fun. It's very light and refreshing.
It's so hot out, I'm kind of regretting getting an IPA.
Heavy. Yeah, this is nice.
It's really good.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's not too heavy.
No, it's not bad.
Kinda light, yeah.
Yeah. Yank. It's very spicy.
Yeah.
It's almost like a wintry beer.
You think so?
Kind of. Interesting. This? 4 fish tacos? I've never gotten 4 before. That's amazing.
That's a lot of food.
I know. Your burger. That thing looks great.
Yep.
Michelle got a chicken sandwich. And Miles got mac and cheese. Which, ketchup on mac and cheese, best thing ever, right?
Yeah.
Definitely.
If anybody likes this, comment.
Yeah.
Comment.
Ketchup and mac and cheese is the best. Amanda, look at this mug. It's so cute. Amanda, this top is cute. Amanda, come smell this candle. It's cute. Amanda, look at this hand sanitizer. It's cute. So little. I'm gonna take off my foot prisms. It's so hot. I need to get comfortable sandals.
Yeah, we should.
So, dude, I love that place for lunch.
That was good.
It's fantastic.
Like, amazing.
I've never had better fish tacos,
Really?
and I'm super full right now.
Me too. My burger was delicious.
I'm stoked about that place. Plus, the beers are amazing and
Cheaper.
$9
Yeah.
for a big tall beer.
Yeah. Freshly brewed and right there in the restaurant.
Delicious. Okay.
Let's watch
Now we
this.
just have to chill and then, I don't know,
Food
what do you want to do
digest.
after this?
Oh, maybe Epcot. We can go ride Soarin'?
Oh,
No?
really? We'll see what happens.
We'll see.
All right. What's going on over there? Hey, Miles, come see what I found. It's so cute.
What? What you find?
Nothing. What are you are you talking to each other through the storm grate?
Yeah.
Really?
That's amazingly, creatively awesome. Can you actually hear each other?
Yes.
That's really cool.
Come here.
I'm good.
Come on, Shelly.
All right, guys. I just heard Disney's closing all the resorts right now, so we have to go. Let's go.